He's been drinking my Diet Pepsi. He's drinking my Diet Pepsi. He's got water right in there, but oh, Diet Pepsi. Oh my God. Chickens are fucking funny. Oh my God. What is he gonna do on caffeine now? Oh man, look at this chicken. There's no sugar. It's like sugar free, but damn, it's like poison. It's fucking Diet Pepsi, dude. That's poison. Oh my. Life with my chicken. What a funny creature. Oh my God. And I offered him water just a bit ago. He wasn't thirsty. But damn, if he's sucking it down right now. Oh my God. Look at that. Lefty. What's he doing, Lefty? Are you done? He's done.